Hello everyone and welcome to another video. This right here is the Thermaltake Talon V2, which is a budget-friendly gaming mouse packed with lots of features and RGB of course. Equipped with a Pixar PNY 350 optical sensor, which can hit up to 3200 dpi, and it is specifically designed for esports. The Talon V2 comes with a stunning 256 RGB colour illumination amongst 7 preset LED colours that feature 3 unique lighting effect modes, which consist of pulse, spectrum, running and static, coupled with an ergonomic ambidextrous design to suit both left-handed and right players, makes it a serious contender in today's market. The mouse is indeed a nice shape and looks pretty visually pleasing, and has a combination of matte black and gloss black finishes. The mouse is equipped with 6 buttons in total: left and right click, back and forward click, the DPI adjustment button and the wheel click. But talking about the wheel, it is semi-illuminated with like a rubber coating, has like a smooth clicking movement. There is grips on the side, but I personally found them to have little to no grip at all. But that could be down to my body makeup of having oily hands. Okay, so in my personal opinion, the mouse is of average weight and size. However, the LED lighting is very clear, bright with vibrant colours. The only downfall I found to be with this mouse was the lag when I was using it on a solid wood surface. But once I changed to a cloth mouse mat, this was greatly reduced. Although not perfect, it was in fact fairly accurate to use. But overall, the mouse is very usable and does look quite nice, and will be a great addition to any setup. And to be honest, the Talon V3 does have all the basic stuff you would expect from a budget mouse, including a 1.3 meter braided cable, which is there to prevent snaring and tangling. So for $26.33 on Amazon Prime UK, I do think you are getting quite a bargain. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did like the product, the link will be in the description below. If you liked the video, hit like. If you loved it, subscribe. And why not hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. So, until next time, take care and goodbye.